Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet the Scallops Edge stitch pattern for a border. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to single crochet and double crochet. Also, this pattern is great for any project with a multiple of 6 count. Also, if you need help with any of those stitches, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that. So to get started, I've just made a little swash that we're going to represent maybe a blanket edge or whatever. So to get started with row 1, you are going to join the yarn in the beginning of the row, then you're going to chain 3. Then you're going to double crochet into the same space that you joined the yarn in the beginning, and then you will follow on by double crocheting in every single stitch until the end of the row, and then you will turn your work. Now that row 1 is done, let's turn our work and work on row 2. So for row 2, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to single crochet into the first stitch, and then we're going to go straight into the repeat. The repeat is going to be skipping the next 2 stitches, followed by working 6 double crochets into the same stitch. Then you will skip 2 stitches, and then you will work a single crochet in the following stitch. So there's our single crochet. So let's look at that again. It's going to be skipping 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the next stitch we are going to work 6 double crochets. Then we will skip 2, 1, 2, and we'll work a single crochet. And you just repeat this all the way until the end of the row, and once you get to the end of the row, you just fasten off and weave in your loose ends. And that's it. That's how you do the Scallops Edging pattern. It's actually very easy. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.